can't wait to learn. Yeah, it's about reproduction. This is just a picture of a rat that you're going to, let's say if you take biology, you're going to dissect this one day. Yeah, some of the pictures. Okay, so these are some interesting projects that you're going to do. You're going to learn how to preserve, collect and preserve, and how to display your insects, right? Now, these are some of the pictures of my students. This is your senior now, okay? This is another senior. This is cohort 6. Oh, sorry, look at the picture. I cut my students in half. This is also another senior of yours, cohort 5. Now, these are, learning biology is actually very interesting. We do not stay at school all the time. See, if we have the opportunity, yeah, because of this COVID thing, if we have the opportunity, definitely I'll bring you out where we can collect a lot of insects. Now, in this picture, these are some of my students in cohort 6. Cohort 6 or cohort 5. We went to UMS to collect a lot of insects. Yeah. Now, the picture on the left is we went to Ranau. Okay. On the other 2 girls, this one also in UMS. Okay, these are some of the things that you're going to learn. Okay, so what are the aim of this syllabus? Now, this biology, this syllabus is actually designed to enhance. Yes?
Your slide not moving.
My slide is not moving?
Yeah. Okay. No, is it?
Are we on the same slide? Is this, are you looking at the aim of the subject?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is the aim of this subject? It is to enhance students' knowledge and understanding of biology. Yeah, everything about biology. Yeah, and besides that, it is to prepare and equip you for your tertiary education, for you to pursue careers in related fields. For example, if you want to be a biologist, if you want to be a biology teacher, so you have to take biology. Even if you want to be a doctor, this is a major subject for them. Okay, and also is to promote awareness. Okay, awareness of the importance of biology in life. That is the aim. Now, what are the objectives? There's a lot of objective, yeah. So number 1 is to understand all the biological phenomena, principles, and theory in life, yeah. And the next one is to evaluate biological information critically and deduce logical conclusion. And the next objective would be to plan and carry out experiments scientifically and make deduction, develop abilities and skills in handling materials and apparatus correctly and safely, and also to cultivate proper attitudes and values on social technology and environmental issues in biology. Yeah. Okay, so the content of the STPM biology syllabus. Now, the first term, it is more on, you're going to learn more on biological molecules and metabolism. There are 6 topics altogether. So the first topic would be biological molecules. Okay, the second topic, structure of cells and organelles. The third one is membrane structure and transport, enzyme, cellular respiration, and finally photosynthesis. Now, if you look at topic number 1 to number 6, you have gone through all the basics when you are in Form 4 and Form 5. So in Form 6, you're going to learn this more in depth, yeah, lebih mendalam. All right. Second term, 7 topics altogether. You're going to learn more on physiology. Yeah. The gases exchange, transport in animals and plants, control and regulation, reproduction, development and growth, homeostasis, immunity, and infectious diseases. So number 13, infectious diseases, is actually a new topic. You're only going to learn about 4 interesting diseases, yeah, which are malaria, TB, cholera, and dengue. That's all. Yeah. And the third term, you're going to learn more on ecology and genetics. There are 6 topics altogether. You're going to learn taxonomy and biodiversity. Taxonomy is more on how to name things, let's say, do you know what is scientific words mean? For example, rice, beras. Okay, we know it as rice, but do you know what is the scientific name of that? Pisum sativum. So we're going to learn how we name things. Okay, which one comes first, species or genus and so on, yeah? And biodiversity, meaning the diversity or diverse living things that we have in our surrounding, yeah? We are going to learn about ecology, selection and speciation, meaning what is selection and speciation? We are going to learn which species will thrive, or have you ever heard of only the strongest and the fittest will win in the end? Okay, so we are going to learn about this, yeah? Okay. Inheritance and genetic control. We're going to learn about gene technology. And finally, we are going to learn about biotechnology. It's also a new topic. All right. Okay, now, type of tests, it's all the same. The same for physics, the same for biology, the same for chemistry. You will have 15 compulsory multiple choice questions to be answered. That is, yes. My slide again. Okay. Is it my slide? Okay. All right. Hold on, yeah. Okay. So let us continue. What is our paper code? The code for biology paper is 964/1. If you see /1 means it is first term. All right. If /2 means that is the second term, /3 that is the third term, and /4 that will be your practical paper. Yeah. So for the first term, you're going to learn about biological molecules and metabolism. Now the type of tests. There are 3 sections, section A, B, and C. Section A, 15 compulsory multiple choice questions to be answered. All right. And then section B, you're going to answer 2 short structured questions. And section C, you are given 3 essays. You only need to answer 2 out of 3 essays. Yeah. So altogether, that would be 60 marks. All right. And the duration is 1.5 hours. Okay. And what is the mark weighing? The weighing of the semester 1, overall, it's only 26.67%. Yeah. For this test. All right. The same goes for term 2 and term 3. The same type of test, only different question. All right. And third term as well. Okay. Now this is what you're going to take. Your biology practical. No, overall they are, if I'm not mistaken, there are 18 practicals altogether. 18 practicals, but only 15 are needed. Okay, are needed for what is that? 15 are needed, but you're going to do 18, all right? Only 15 will be calculated, all right? Now, the experiments, I'm going to give you mm, the paper. You're going to prepare and you're going to do it, all right? But you don't worry. Everything I will guide you, yeah? I will guide you from A to Z or A to Z, all right? If you follow what I say, if you do what I ask you to do, definitely you're going to do better in your biology practical. And mind you, this biology practical actually can help you in your marks, all right? Now, these are some of the websites, biology websites that you can actually go through. Google. Textbook. Okay, we do not have any proper textbook, but I will tell you what to buy. Yeah, if you can't buy it, I will help you to buy the book, because most of the books we cannot get it in Sabah. Yeah, I have to order online from KL. That's the problem. Textbook, I don't really use only one textbook. I use a lot of books. Yeah, okay. I use a lot of books to prepare, and then so must you. All right. Now, some of the students will ask me, yeah, why do we need to study? Why do we need to study biology? I will stop presenting now. Okay, why do we need to study biology? Okay, hold on. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay, why do we need to study biology? Now, if you love living things and how they relate, studying biology might be the right subject for you. And if you major in biology, it will give you an in-depth understanding of the natural world. Okay, it will also help you learn how to conduct research, how to do problem solving, organize, and think critically. All right. And some of the students ask me why biology is important in our daily life. Now, biology is very important in your everyday life because it allows human to better understand their body, their resources, and the potential threats in the environment. Now, this includes plants, animals, microbes in nature around us. Well, to sum it all up, biology means the study of life. Okay. Now, what do you learn from studying biology? If let's say you take biology, what do you learn from studying biology? In biology, students study a variety of life processes and learn how to different organism. You you study biology because you want to know the variety of life processes and learn how to differentiate organism, yeah, how organisms meet the challenges of living in their environment and so on. And we will also learn about you will also focus about homeostasis, energy transfer, and the relationship, especially the relationship between structure and function and how it changes over time. Okay. And then some students also ask me, how hard is biology? Now, to tell you frankly, to tell you the truth, biology is hard, okay, because it involves a lot of unfamiliar concepts, all right, some of which are very difficult and requires mastering an unfamiliar vocabulary, which is very true in any science. Yeah, like some of the words that I'm going to teach you, you don't even know what it is. But how do we get all this? I mean, how do we um, manage? How do we manage all this? If you memorize well, okay. Now, if you ask me, is it difficult? If you love what you do and have a goal, the challenges will be very worth it. All right. Now, if you memorize well, you pay attention in the class, and then make sure you get into the habit of rewriting your lectures note, and you write. Uh, Make sure you write fairly quickly because there's a lot of things. Yeah, and it will be not hard at all. All right. Um, and some students also ask me, yeah, if let's say I want to study biology, but I do not want to become a doctor, is that okay? Now, do you know that it's only a very, very small percentage of biology majors who become doctors? Okay, many people assume that the only careers that a biologist or people who study biology can go into are doctors or a teacher. Now, that is a very narrow and uninformed thinking. Now, if you Google careers in biology, definitely you will find many sites describing the diversity of this large field. Okay, you can go into food industry. What else? You can go for, uh, you can go, you can be people who study, no, who be working in the lab, only in the lab. All right. There's a lot of work for you out there. Yeah. So Google. All right. Now, do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Before I end this? Any questions? No? No, we're good. Okay. Later on, I'm going to give you, for now, no question. Okay, okay, good. Later, I'm going to give you a link in the group. Can you help me to answer it? Be truthful. How do you think I present? Yeah, because I need to give this to my boss. Okay, so thank you, and hopefully you'll take biology. Yeah, all right. Thank you so much. Back to you, Teacher Nodin.
Oke, selamat pagi semua pelajar lower 6. Oke, sebelum cikgu mula taklimat ini, cikgu minta kamu buka kamera sebab cikgu mau tengok muka kamu. Okay, the rest, you please on your camera because this is our first meeting. So, cikgu perlu kenal kamu punya muka dulu. Okay? Tidak payah malu-malu. If I know you already, okay, you turn off your camera pun cikgu rasa tiada masalah. Sebab cikgu mau kenal dulu kamu pelajar-pelajar sains untuk kohort ini. Oke, yang lain siapa nih? Eldresa Thompson. Who else? Haswinda. Sorry ya, if I salah sebut kamu punya nama. Elisa. Okay, who else? Tolong beri kerjasama supaya kita boleh habis sekejap saja. Estilona, okay. Cikgu nampak muka Estilona, Eldresa, Maria. Okay. Sebab kita bukan bersemuka di sekolah, jadi cikgu tidak kenal kamu semua. Oke, yang lain kalau tidak mau kerjasama, oke, apa boleh buat? Oke, cikgu mulalah bagi taklimat untuk subjek kimia. Kalau untuk STPM, subjek kimia dia wajib, kamu tidak pilihan. Kena ambil, suka tidak suka, tetap kena ambil. Oke, we go for the briefing on the syllabus. Biasanya kita mau tahu lah, dalam form 6, what are you going to learn in chemistry? Of course, it's a carry on from your form 4, form 5 syllabus. Okay, we go for this one, very fast one. Okay, kita akan habis dalam masa setengah jam juga. Okay. Okay, I'm your chemistry teacher, Nama cikgu Fong Siu Yin. Okay, I'm teaching in chemistry is already 18 years. Okay, biasanya syllabus chemistry ni kita tengoklah apa dia punya objektif. Okay, why you learn chemistry? Chemistry actually to enable you to understand the facts, terminologies, and principles of chemistry. You interpret the phenomena by using the models, the laws, or chemical principle. You interpret and apply scientific informations presented in various form. Okay, solve problems related to chemistry. Ini objektif dalam syllabus. Okay, selain itu, you are going to analyze situations and ideologically and critically. Plan, carry out experiments, draw inference, and make deductions. Use scientific equipment properly and safely. Develop positive attitude and value towards the environment. Acquire generic skills. Okay, ini semua ialah objektif lah why you are going to learn the chemistry. Okay, sama juga dengan subjek lain. Untuk chemistry ada juga 3 semester. Kalau exam paper dia is same as the other science subject. You have 3 sections. Okay, the first sections A is the objective questions. 15 compulsory multiple choice questions to be answered. Section B is the structure questions. Sama juga, two structure questions is compulsory to answer. Okay, section C ada 3 soalan essay, but you only have to answer 2 questions only in this section. Jadi jumlah markah dia 13 plus 15, 15 should be 60. 60 ini dia akan dia punya wajaran, you only get the 26.67 for the first semester. Kertas dia biasanya daripada Pusat MPM lah yang buat soalan. Okay, sama juga for the second term. Okay, dia punya kadaran, wajaran dia masih lagi sama, 26.67. Third semester also 26.67 marks after the wajaran. Okay, this part is your experiment. You have to carry out 13 compulsory experiments and 1 project. Ini wajib. Jadi setiap semester itu you have 5 experiment. Semester 1 you have 5 experiment. Semester 2 also you have 5 experiment. Semester 3 also 5 experiment plus 1 project to be carried out. Okay, jadi jumlah markah untuk kamu punya kerja khusus ketiga 3 semester itu will be 225. Okay, lepas itu dia to be scaled to 45. Maksudnya 20% lah out of 100%. Yang tadi first term 26 something. 26, 26, 26, and then this one 20. Okay, sekiranya I do not know lah this year what will going on sebab masalah pandemic ini. Okay, we do not know when is the school will reopen. Kalau tidak, if MPM decide to change your kerja khusus to paper 5 means you sit for the paper lah. Ini yang bertulis. Eksperimen punya soalan lah. Sekiranya kita tidak dapat laksanakan kerja khusus di sekolah. Kemungkinan besar MPM dia akan tukarlah dia punya method. So you are going to sit for the paper 5 for chemistry. Dia punya markah pun sama lah, direct 20 marks. Soalan dia sama juga akan dibuat oleh Pusat MPM. So kalau kamu sit for this paper 5 mungkin ada susah sikit lah. Sebab markah itu yang MPM yang bagi. Kalau yang dalam sekolah, okay, this 20 marks cikgu yang bagi. Okay, kita tengok dulu your syllabus for semester 1, what are you going to learn? Okay, biasanya first term we learn more to physical chemistry. Actually it's a continuous your syllabus from form 4, form 5. Okay, these are your syllabus. Chapter 1, you will learn about the atom, molecule. Stoichiometrics means all the calculations of numbers of mole. You are calculating the volume of the gas ataupun the mass of the metal, element, substance, and so on. And then you are calculating the relative atomic mass, molecular mass, and formular mass, and so on. Okay, and then you also will learn the very simple part, yaitu particles of an atom. Okay, what is proton, what is neutron, electron, and then how to determine the number of proton, neutron, or electron. Okay, chapter 1. Okay, chapter 2, you will learn about electronic structures of atom. Okay, means you are learning how to write the electronic configurations for this topic. But this time maybe is in different way to write the electronic configurations. You are no more practice the 2.8.1. We are not applying that one anymore. So we are using the orbital types to write the electronic configuration. Okay, that one is for the second chapter. Okay, inilah yang model, salah satu model lah. Okay, chapter 3. Balik lagi kamu akan belajar the chemical bonding. Okay, cikgu rasa in form 4, form 5, you already learn what is ionic bond, covalent bond. Okay, and then this one, van der Waals forces. So in form 6, mungkin ada tambahan sikit lah. Tambahan sikit, you will learn more example of the covalent bond. Ada dia punya exceptional of certain compound, dia punya ikatan macam mana, and then ada tambahan di bahagian van der Waals. Actually van der Waals ini is divided, ada lagi dua jenis lagi van der Waals. So you will learn all kind of bonding lah kalau dalam form 6. Okay, chapter 4, kita fokus the states of metal. We will learn one by one. Gases, liquid, solid, and phase diagram. Okay, ini yang kita kena belajar lah satu-satu. Gas kita belajar lah apa-apa benda yang dalam gas itu. Kita akan belajar balik kepada yang basic juga. Dia punya arrangement of the particles, the movement, and the kinetic theory, and so on. Liquid, solid pun sama. Kamu kena belajar how to calculate the numbers of particle inside the solid. Liquid, ini kita fokus more, we are calculate the vapor pressure. Ini ya, vapor dia. Liquid yang sudah didih itu is become vapor. So we are calculating the vapor pressure. Phase diagram. Okay, maybe this one is new for you lah. Nanti kita tengok what is phase diagram. Ini ialah perubahan fasa from gas to liquid, liquid to solid, or in another way around, solid to liquid, liquid to gases. So what happened? That one we call phase diagram. Okay, chapter 5. Tanda tindak balas. Reactions kinetic. I think this one kamu pun sudah pernah belajar. But this times, of course, you will learn in more detail. Apa itu rate of reactions? Okay, what is Red law? Okay, apa faktor, what the effect of temperatures on the reactions kinetic? Okay, the role of the catalyst in reactions, order of reactions, ataupun rate constant. Mostly calculation bahagian chapter 5 ini, semua calculation. Okay, ini majority soalan exam dia biasanya ialah calculations. Okay, come to the last topic in SEM 1. Kamu akan belajar pasal chemical equilibria, ionic equilibria, chemicals and phase. Semua pasal keseimbangan dinamik. Chemicals, equilibrium kita belajar keseimbangan tindak balas. Means how much reactant you use, then you can calculate how much product you can get. And then apabila sudah capai keseimbangan, jadi berapa hasil yang kamu boleh dapat. Bahagian ionic ini, kita akan belajar pasal acid and base. Pasal acid and base. Kenapa dia ialah acid kuat, asid lemah, and then kita belajar pasal the titration process. Semua ada di sini. Chemical equilibrium ini, I think this one bukan chemical. Ini ialah solubility ya, yang the 6.3. Solubility ini yang pasal ketelarutan. We want to determine bahan ataupun compound itu dia punya kadar ketelarutan dalam air. Okay, also the calculations. Ini tiga-tiga ni semua calculations 6.1 to 6.3 mostly is a calculation. Okay, the last one, phase diagram. Ini kita akan fokus more on yang distillation itu. You still remember yang penyulingan, proses penyulingan peringkat. Kita akan belajar di sinilah. Kita akan belajar also a little bit of calculations. Kamu akan kira compositions yang terhasil selepas daripada proses penyulingan. Berapa banyak alkohol yang kau dapat ataupun berapa air. Ataupun any mixture lah, any organic mixture. Mungkin benzin dengan methyl benzin and so on. Okay, ini adalah bahagian penyulingan. Okay, jadi actually SEM 1 banyak soalan calculations compared to nanti SEM 2 and SEM 3. Okay, untuk masuk semester kedua, kalau kamu masih berterusan, okay, dalam semester 2, kamu akan belajar dalam chapter 7 pasal chemical energetic. Okay, yang kamu pernah belajar dalam form 5 kah? Yang thermochemistry. Okay, kita kira dia punya enthalpy change of reactions. Everything pasal haba. Okay, kita belajar banyak jenis haba di sini. Kita akan belajar lagi ini Hess law, Born-Haber cycle, the solubility of solid in liquid. Okay, everything is talking about the enthalpy change, means calculating of haba. Chapter 8, electrochemistry. All this we are learning about the electrolysis. Okay, oxidation process, reduction process, standard electrode potential, non-standard cell potential, fuel cells and electrolysis, applications of electrochemistry. Semualah pasal electrolysis punya method. You are going to determine the anode, cathode and so on. Tapi memang ada tambahan dia lah. Sama juga is a carry on from your form 4, form 5 syllabus. Okay, yang ini kita kena belajar. Is it look familiar, the diagram? Okay, masuk chapter 9, kita belajar pasal periodic table. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all we are going to learn about the periodic table. Dalam periodic table, the whole thing, almost half lah kita akan belajar. So in chapter 9, kita akan belajar focus on period 2 and period 3. All about the reaction. Tindak balas setiap elemen itu dalam period 3 ataupun period 2. Okay. Lepas itu chapter 10, kita belajar elemen kumpulan 2. Semualah dia punya physical and chemical property. Begitu juga dengan chapter 11, kita akan belajar dia punya physical and chemical properties of group 14. Group 14 kita akan belajar semua dia punya physical property dia punya chemical property. Okay, chapter 12, belajar group 17. Ini yang the last topic in semester 2, kita akan belajar transitions element. Okay, nampak tak? Semester 2 dia lebih kepada reactions. Okay, so semester 2 is only 2 topic. Yang ini saja, chapter 7 and chapter 8. Yang majority dia ialah calculation. Ini topik calculation. Yang seterusnya, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, all is regarding the reaction. Maksudnya kamu banyak kena apply equation, chemical equations. dalam jawapan almost 80% and above in your answer will be a equation. Jadi siapa yang lemah dalam bahagian construct equations itu, I think you should revise your topic in Form 4. Cuba baca semula how to form a balanced equation. Ingat balik the formula and the chemical formula for each of the element. Okay, apa simbol yang dia guna. Okay, come to third semester. We only learn organic chemistry, all the organic substance. Okay, kita akan belajar those empirical formula, molecular formula. Okay, kita akan belajar pasal functional group dalam compound, pasal isomer, pasal all these free radicals, nucleophilics, electrophile. Okay, ini I think is all new for you lah. Untuk semester 3, cikgu rasa semua topik agak baru untuk kamu. Tapi dia ada kaitan juga dengan kamu, apa yang kamu sudah belajar dalam Form 4, Form 5. Okay, especially the topic yang bahagian yang kamu belajar pasal hydrocarbon. Okay, ini all the topic is about hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbons. Ini cikgu rasa kamu sudah belajarkan dalam Form 4, Form 5. Alkanes, alkenes. Okay, jadi ini dua mungkin kamu sudah belajar, tapi ada tambahan dia. Tambahan dari segi dia punya chemical reaction. Okay, and then ini pun tambahan dalam Form 6, Arin, kita akan belajar benda-benda yang ini, like this, all this gelang-gelang punya organic. Kita belajar yang pasal gelang-gelang, that's why it's Arin. Arin means everything compound that is in the ring form. Haloalkane. Haloalkane maksudnya kamu punya alkana ini, alkane ini ada tambahan dengan kumpulan 17. So it make it haloalkane. Okay, what are we going to learn is also all the reaction. Tindak balas haloalkane. Okay, apa akan terhasil? Come to chapter 17, kamu akan belajar pasal hydroxyl compound. Maksudnya alkohol, semua kumpulan alkohol. Setiap ahli dialah daripada methanol, ethanol, propanol, and so on. Okay, tindak balas dia dengan reagent yang tertentu. Phenol sama juga, we are learn about all the ring, yang ring form punya inilah yang phenol. Alkohol yang dalam bentuk gelang. Okay, carbonyl compound. Next, chapters 18. Carbonyl compound means you're going to learn about all the ketones and aldehyde. Ini dua is new for you. Aldehyde, ketone. What is that? Nantilah masuk semester 3 kita akan belajar. Okay, chapter 19, carboxylic acid. Okay, ini cikgu rasa kamu ada belajar dalam Form 5, carboxylic acid, ester. Okay, ini acyl chloride means dia punya derivative compound daripada carboxylic. Daripada tindak balas carboxylic itu, kamu akan dapat is either acyl chloride, ester, ataupun amides. Tapi dalam Form 5, you only focus ini saja. Carboxylic acid bertindak balas dengan alkohol, you get the ester. Okay, cikgu rasa itu saja kan yang kamu belajar dalam Form 5. Okay, chapter 20. You're going to learn about amines, amino acids, and protein. A little bit lah related to biology. Okay, tapi kalau dalam chemistry, ini dia hanya fokus untuk tindak balas sahaja. Okay, tindak balas. Equations lah, more emphasize in equation. Last one is a polymer. Ini paling ramai pelajar yang tidak suka lah. Because the equations or the structures of the polymer is quite complicated. Okay, biasanya almost every year lah, students dia akan ignore these questions if let's say it's come out in the exam. Biasanya dia orang tidak mau pilih soalan ini. Sebab susah mau lukis itu polymer. Okay, itu saja untuk silibus chemistry yang kamu akan belajar sepanjang tiga semester. Okay, eksperimen ini yang cikgu sudah bagi tahu. 13 experiment to be completed in term 1, 2, and 3 plus 1 project work. Okay, every year punya topik dia berlainan. Setiap tahun tajuk yang dibagi untuk project work is different. So this year punya cikgu belum tengok lagi ya. Okay, nanti masa kelas lah, masa kelas I will cikgu akan bagi tahu kemudian lah. Okay, ini untuk bahagian kerja khusus. First term, apa jenis kerja khusus ataupun eksperimen yang kamu akan buat? Okay, eksperimen first, second, and third. Okay, kita akan buat titrations. Okay, proses peneutralan. Okay, neutralization process. Titration. Okay, eksperimen 4, 5. 4, kita akan buat eksperimen pasal kadar tindak balas. Kita akan ambil masa. We take how fast the reaction happen. Okay, number 5 ini, eksperimen 5, kita akan buat eksperimen pasal solubility product. We want to determine how fast the reactions can form the precipitate. Okay, ambil masa juga. Tengok berapa cepat dia boleh menghasilkan solid dalam itu tindak balas. Masuk kepada semester kedua. Okay, eksperimen 6 pasal thermochemistry. Okay, you want to determine the heat of reaction. Is either is endothermic ataupun exothermic. Eksperimen 7. Okay, kamu akan determine percentage purity of copper metal by electrolysis, guna electrolysis. Okay, 8, 9. Ini 8, 9 ialah ujian garam. Okay. Ion presence in the salt. Ini untuk eksperimen 8, 9. Okay, 10. Kamu kena buat determinations percentage of aluminium dalam satu sampel. Berapa banyak dia? Dalam aluminium. Berapa banyaklah aluminium? Okay, come to third semester. Okay, ini yang 11 ini. 11, 12 ini dia macam ujian cation dan anion tapi dia more to focus to determine the functional group. Okay, selepas ujian-ujian itu kamu kena tentukan garam yang cikgu bagi itu asal dia daripada kumpulan mana, alkohol kah, dari carbonyl compound kah, ataupun daripada amides kah, amin kah, amino acid ataupun protein. Okay, identify the functional group. Okay, the last experiment, you are preparing the sample of 2,4-hydroxyl phenylazole. This is a dye. Dye maksudnya yang kita guna untuk dye rambut itu dye. Actually is from here. Kita buat sampel dye rambut lah. Tapi we cannot use that to dye your hair. Nanti jadi botak kamuran. Okay. Project works, topic selection based on the topic given by MPM. Ini MPM yang akan bagi nanti. Project kamu biasanya akan carry out in a group lah. Biasanya dalam kumpulan lah. Dan kalau kamu punya bilangan untuk this year is only 5 of you, cikgu rasa pun mungkin boleh buat 2 orang ataupun 3 orang untuk satu kumpulan. Kalau masih bertahan lah sampai semester 3. Okay, jadi topiknya nanti sudah bagi, baru kita discuss bahagian ini ya. Jadi untuk project ini is a school-based assessment. Okay, jadi kamu akan dinilai lah based on the skill here. Skill B, C, D, F and project file. What is skill B, C, D, and F? Okay, dan ini ialah allocation mark dia untuk setiap skill yang dalam kamu punya project. Okay, skill B maksudnya kita akan nilai dari segi kamu punya observations, measurements, and recordings. Ini format dia lah. Dia dah bagi tahu. Have you set the title clearly, the abstract, the introductions, the methodology? This is the mark. Okay, untuk yang C, how do you interpret your experimental observation data? Macam mana kamu kasih display your result? Is it well organized, well presented ataupun tidak? So maximum marks is 6. Jadi tengoklah kamu punya nanti laporan di bahagian mana? Di bahagian range 1 hingga 2 kah, 3, 4 kah, 5 ataupun 6. Okay, skill D, cara kamu buat design and planning of investigations. Meaning how do you write your conclusions, your reference, and your presentations of your project report. Okay, macam mana kamu present? Adakah kamu punya presentations of the project is excellent? Excellent means is well structured, clear, concise, and precise. Okay. And then reference atau bibliography needs to be numbered. Adakah kamu buat? If it is from website, need to quote the website, the data, the date and the time. Okay, ini cara-cara buat reference bibliography ini. Nanti bila sampai masa, cikgu akan ajarlah how do you write the reference. Okay, lepas itu, you have a oral presentation. Okay, group assessment. Ini untuk group ialah macam mana kamu guna your ICT lah, expert kah tidak. Okay, macam mana kamu guna. Masa kamu presentations, ini biasalah kalau presentations, how do you present yourself? Dia akan ambil kira your eye contact, ataupun seldom looking at the notes. And then you are using the techniques such as a visual aid, props, humor, surprising fact, presentations, element, exhibit, creativity in effective delivery of the message. Okay, ini bahagian presentation lah. Kalau present dengan baik, maximum mark dia 2. Jangan pandang rendah ini markah 2 ni ya. 1-2 markah ini dia akan menentukan kamu sama ada kamu boleh dapat A ataupun dapat B. Okay, oral presentations ini yang communications yang individual assessment yang tadi itu dia akan nilai secara kumpulan. Ini secara individu. Sama ada kamu bila kena kemukakan soalan, have you answer dengan confident kah, macam mana? Grammatically correct kah, pronunciations, okay, dia akan ambil kira lah 1, 2, 3 ini individual marks. Okay, project files means actually is your buku log. Okay, means all your reference, your short notes, your findings from the internet, from any journals and so on, everything you got jot down in your project file. Dalam buku log kamu, dia buat macam draft bah. Macam itu scrapbook. Okay, everything you find, you keep it. Apa-apa sajalah, is related kah, ataupun a little bit related kah, semua kamu kasih simpan. And then at the end of your project, you compile everything, you hand in. Dari sana cikgu tengoklah, sama ada your work neat kah, accurate related to the project work ataupun tidak. Kalau tidak, not all important evidence. Dalam kamu punya logbook itu kosong saja, so you get 1 mark lah. Masih lagi kena bagi 1 markah as long as you hand in ada evidence. Even though dia punya content is not accurate, masih lagi you get 1. If you do everything accurate, clearly, the info all related to your project, okay, 3 markah. So, and then you will sum up lah daripada kamu punya skill B, C, D, E, F. Okay, itulah your final marks for your project. Okay, almost come to last part already. Okay, after you study chemistry, okay, you can see lah what is the career that you can, kamu boleh cebur lah ini, bidang-bidang ini. You see, kalau kamu belajar sains, actually banyak peluang. Kalau ada yang berminat lah macam ni. Ini adalah career that related to chemistry field, yang kamu perlu subjek chemistry. Ada lagi ni. Even lawyer, have you seen? Even you want to become a lawyer, you also want, sometimes, mana tahu kamu jumpa case yang perlu ada pengetahuan kimia, inilah peluang dia. Okay, this is all the career that you can get lah after you finish your STPM ataupun kamu sambung lagi nanti dalam chemistry field. Okay. Okay, last one. Ini kamu punya senior-senior yang dulu. Cikgu kasih share saja for your untuk kamu tengok saja. Ini kita punya first batch. Cikgu tiada gambar diorang sebab ini yang paling awal ini. Okay, ini kamu punya senior yang sekarang ini diorang sedang buat diorang punya project lah. Okay, diorang buat proses penapaian guna buah-buahan. Ini dia buat pasal polimer. Okay, all kinds of polymer guna itu botol-botol plastik yang berlainan punya. So they determine lah banyak-banyak dia punya factor, they want to determine which one polymer can be recycled, mana satu yang tidak boleh, and then try to find out which one can be disposed, yang mana yang tidak boleh discompose and so on. Okay, ini masa dia orang buat presentation. Okay, ini masih lagi, have you noticed dia orang pakai pakaian tradisional kan? Kebetulan hari itu ialah hari kemerdekaan kah? Ada majlis di sekolah. Jadi semua pelajar pakai baju tradisional. Jadi dia orang eksperimen pun pakailah. This is another page. Ini dia buat alkaloid. Okay, extract the alkaloid in plants. Kandungan nitrogen di dalam tumbuhan. Okay, ini kau tengok eksperimen sampai berkaki ayam sudah. Okay, ini another page. Okay, ini lagi. Okay, ini pun masa dia orang buat eksperimen saja, eksperimen yang biasa. Okay, inilah the kids analysis, water analysis. Actually yang ini pelajar kumpulan ini yang buat. This one, dia orang buat analisis air quality, water quality. Dia buat water quality. Dia kajilah kita punya pipe, air dari pipe, air pipe di sekolah, di rumah dan beberapa tempat lah dia orang kaji kandungan chemical dia. Adakah mematuhi piawai ataupun tidak? Okay. Ini yang last year punya pelajar yang dia extract silikon, dari pasir. Very interesting experiment. Okay, untuk yang batch yang ini tahun. Ini belum lagi dia orang belum lagi buat project. Dia orang punya project this year is about the electrolysis. Okay, ini kamu punya senior lah yang upper 6 sekarang. Okay, so who will be the next? Okay, so macam mana? How is it? Is it interesting to learn chemistry? Coba kasih pandangan sikit. After you listen to all the syllabus, jadi macam mana? Esther Lona, okay kah?
Okay, teacher. Interesting.
Interesting, betul?
Yes. Iya.
Okay, yang lain? Sebab yang cikgu tahu ramai yang mau tukar jurusan kan? Kenapa nih? Sayang nih, sebab dari Form 4, Form 5 kamu sudah belajar Sains. Kenapa tidak kasih keep it on? Halfway mau berhenti, mau tukar jurusan. Actually banyak kamu boleh belajar itu dalam Sains. Kenapa tidak mau try dulu? Okay, cikgu akan share satu link untuk kamu di sini sebab cikgu mau kamu isi sebab cikgu mau tahu lebih sikit kamu punya info. Okay, so you try to fill out for me. Nanti cikgu mau tengok. Okay, I send di bahagian message ni ya. Okay, you try to fill up Okay, yang lain tu, yang siapa yang sudah confirm to stay in Science stream, okay. Cikgu bagi nasihat kerana berusaha sikitlah. Kalau Form 6 ini actually tiada masalah. Tiada masalah lulus sekiranya kamu rajin. Okay, itu yang cikgu boleh bagi tahulah. Satu saja, cikgu minta satu saja, kamu kena rajin, berusaha. Cikgu tidak kisahlah what is your result in SPM. You get D, C or what, doesn't matter. Tapi dalam Form 6, make sure you work hard. Karena 2 kali ganda lah daripada SPM. Barulah cikgu boleh guarantee you can pass your STPM. Okay, you try to look at the message, bahagian message tu. I already share you the link of the Google form. You try to fill up. Okay, do you have any questions you want to ask about the syllabus? Chemistry punya syllabus? Ada yang mau bagi pandangan kah? Idea kah? Okay, tidak apa. Kalau sekarang masih lagi segan-segan, okay, nanti masa kelas lah. Tomorrow we have class. So anything we still can discuss in dalam kelas lah nanti. Tomorrow. Okay, kalau tiada soalan, cikgu rasa setakat ini sajalah cikgu punya briefing. Jadi yang sudah decide mau tukar jurusan itu mungkin boleh fikir semula selepas sudah dengar semua taklimat untuk sains subjek. Okay, tidak juga susah. Okay, kecuali kamu malas, itu saja. Science stream tidak sesusah yang kamu fikir selama ini ya. Okay, itu kamu kena psycho saja, anggap itu kalau Form 6 punya sains, susah nih, susah. Tidak susah. Yang penting kamu mesti rajin, itu saja. Kalau cikgu pelajar apa-apa, grade pun okay. Yang janji dia rajin, dia boleh pas, itu saja. Kalau malas itu habis cerita lah kan. Kan Maria? Okey lah. Okey, itu saja. Okey, cikgu ucapkan terima kasih kerana sudi mendengar cikgu bercakap almost berapa minit saja. Okey, masih ada masa kan? Cikgu punya masa sampai terlebih masa kan? Alamak. Okey. Itu sajalah dari cikgu. Ada cikgu Flavia kan dalam grup, dalam GM ni?
Ya, ada.
Okey. Jadi,
Untuk yang for the lower 6 kan, I'll be teaching you Muet. So maybe you can have a group, create a group, okay? Create a group for Muet because we will have it not tomorrow but on Friday. Can? Who is the class monitor? Maria? Siapa class monitor? You? Maria kah?
Me. Yes.
Okay. maybe can create a group, Telegram group for Muet. Okay? All right. Okay. Thank you.
Cikgu Flavia, after this, what do they have? A package kah?
But then the package is, I thought, I don't know whether it's 11 or 11:30.
Oh, jadi ini taklimat untuk sains selesai sudahlah kan semua?
Rasanya
Mine is a
selesai
mine
kan,
is a
Mak?
last slot. Ya, cikgu punya
Ya.
yang last kan?
Sudah selesai. So I'm not sure. Either it's 11 or 11:30. Okay. So what time is ekonomi punya slot now? Is it? Oh, until 11. So the package tu selepas 11 tidak ada lagi lah kan? So we have finished all the briefing then, right? From the subject. Sudah siap lah kan? So kita boleh mula maybe around Oh, okay. So because they all finish at 11 kan? Because tengok tadi 11:30 baru kita mula kan? Okay. Ya, mungkin break dulu lah. Have a break. Nanti kita sambung 11:30 lah. Okay? Okay, thank you.
Ba, okay. Saya lift sudah. Okay.
Okay. Hello. Yeah. Yeah.